Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 3D zoom animation on CapCut PC. So like basically how you can apply it to your to your photos. You can't apply this to videos unfortunately, but you're just going to grab your image and you're going to select AI stylize and you're going to select style instead. Then you're going to select the motion one. And you can either select this first 3D zoom or the other 3D zoom. Okay, that style cannot be applied to this one, so let's just try the other one and wait for it to process. And as you can see, you can create this like 3D zoom. Sorry, it doesn't really show that much here, so I'll just grab another picture real quick and see if it to see if like you can see the zoom clearly. So select that. Sorry, I don't know why it's not like the first 3D zoom is not applying, but the second one does work. I'm just saying. So just wait for it to process a little bit. But you did see in the first picture that it worked, so that's how you can 3D zoom your pictures on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!